Hey there, lovely viewers, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a delightful recipe, steamed shrimp and egg delight. Let's jump right in. To start, gather some fresh shrimp and eggs. In a bowl, crack those eggs open and let's whisk up some goodness. Add a pinch of salt and a dash of cooking wine for that extra flavor kick. Give it all a good mix. Now, here's the secret ingredient, warm water. I usually go with a 1:1 to 1 to 1.5 ratio of water to eggs. Strain the egg mixture twice to remove any small bubbles. If you spot any tiny bubbles, no worries, just let it sit for a bit until they vanish. Cover it up with some plastic wrap and let the Instant Pot work its magic. Steam it for about 7 minutes or until that egg mixture starts to firm up. While that's going on, let's not forget our shrimp pals. Peel them and give them a light sprinkle of salt for a little flavor boost. Once your egg mix has firmed up a bit, uncover it and let's make it even better. Place those beautifully marinated shrimp on top and steam for an extra 5 minutes. And voila, it's ready to shine. A drizzle of soy sauce and a touch of sesame oil will take this dish to the next level. There you have it, our scrumptious steamed shrimp and egg delight. Give this recipe a try and drop me a comment to let me know what you think. Thanks for tuning in and I'll catch you in the next one.